After completing stage 1 to connect a simple split sentence bolt using Java and Python, you're now ready to use Python for something a bit more interesting. Python packages can be used to speed up development, especially for computations that might be more difficult in Java. In this section, we will use the Beautiful Soup package to parse tweeted URLs and emit text. In step 0, navigate to lesson 3, stage 2, and remember to add your Twitter credentials into the tweet topology file. In part 1, we install Beautiful Soup in Ubuntu, a package in Python, by using the apt-get command. You can copy and paste sudo apt-get install python bs4 into your terminal. This stands for superuser-do. apt-get is the install command for Ubuntu, and python-bs4 is the Beautiful Soup package in Python. Running this the first time will give you a build success, but if it's already installed, you won't see any build. Also, after our hackathon, a number of students asked us about how to install different Python commands using the Vagrant file. So in lesson 4, if you're interested, we walk through how to add this command to your Vagrant file that provisions your virtual machine. In part 2, modify your tweet spout to emit only the first URL contained in a tweet. Remember to check if the URL is empty before emitting, and we use the Twitter4j API, which can be found here. Remember that tweets are called status. On the twitter4j.org site, if you search for URL, you'll see the method getURLEntities, and getURLEntities has a method getURL that returns a string. And I've given you a few syntax hints that states just that. Status.getURLEntities, remember we're getting only the first URL at position 0, .getURL that returns a string. Next, it's time to create your own Python file in part 3. Create a new Python file in the resources folder called urltext.py. In part 4, use the urllib2 and Beautiful Soup libraries to define a new class urlbolt. An important hint is to wrap your procedure in a try except statement to avoid connection errors. Connection errors will actually crash Storm due to the implementation of Python in Storm. Here's the documentation for your reference, and if needed, a few syntax hints in Python. In part 5, create a Java bolt urlbolt.java, and remember that this is located in the Storm folder and not the resources folder. And finally, in part 6, update your topology to visualize URL words using a Python bolt. And finally, in part 6, update your topology to visualize URL words using a Python bolt. Notice that your word cloud is now a parsed word cloud of URL words from web pages that were processed using Beautiful Soup in Python. Remember as well that your code should match lesson 3, stage 3, so if syntax errors or problems occur, please look ahead for the solution or review the solution video. Good luck.